In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an RSVP button into your Mailchimp emails effortlessly, and you'll be able to do it in just 5 minutes. Whether you're planning a small gathering or organizing a larger event, being able to easily add an RSVP button can streamline your process and provide your guests a convenient way to respond. So let's jump right in and get this set up. First, you need to start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Make sure you have your credentials ready. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the Mailchimp dashboard. From there, locate the Campaigns tab and give it a click. This is where you'll find all your existing campaigns, as well as the option to create new ones. Now, if you're working on an existing campaign, go ahead and select it. If not, it's time to create a new one by clicking on the Create Campaign button. Don't worry, Mailchimp makes this process pretty straightforward, and you'll be just a few clicks away from designing your email. As you begin designing your email, think about where you'd like your RSVP button to go. This is the spot where your recipients are going to take action, so choose wisely. Mental note taken? Great. Now move your cursor to that section of the email and click to start editing. Next, you want to select the button content block from Mailchimp's list of options. Once you've got it, simply drag and drop it into the location you've chosen. If it doesn't fit quite right the first time, you can easily adjust its position. After you place it, a handy menu will pop up on the left side of your screen. This is where you can personalize your button to make it stand out. One of the first things to do here is to edit the button's text. A clear call to action is key, so let's go with something engaging such as RSVP now. This simple change can help guide your recipients to take the next step. Now, as you continue to customize, find the section labeled Link To. Click on that and select web address URL from your options. This next step is where the magic happens. You need to paste the link to your RSVP form. This could be a Google form, an Eventbrite event page, or any other event management tool you're using. Once you've pasted the link, take a moment to review everything. Make sure the link works and that your button is exactly where you want it to be. If everything looks perfect and you're satisfied with how your email campaign is shaping up, it's time to either send it out immediately or schedule it for later. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've added an RSVP button to your Mailchimp email, making it easier for your invitees to respond quickly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more simple yet effective email marketing tips.